Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your relaxation massage center businesses. For example, you have a relaxation massage center in where you can provide different facilities to your customer regarding the types of massage you are offering to them, prices and payment details as well as customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your relaxation massage center business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of relaxation massage center, hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Tranquil Touch Massage Center. We are so glad you are here. Whether you are looking to unwind, relieve tension or treat yourself, you are in the right hands. How can we help you feel your best today? While providing me 3 different options, that is massage type, check rates and book a session. If I'll click on massage type, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the types of massage they are providing to their customer. If I'll click on check rates, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the offers and the pricing details of the massage they are providing. If I'll click on book a session, then it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your relaxation massage center, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly chat flow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our relaxation massage center, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Relaxation Massage Center. You can also enable this toggle when you want to activate a specific behavior or feature in your chatbot. Now I want to add one welcome message for my customer. For this I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to the Relaxation Massage Center because it sounds impactful and interesting towards customer. By clicking on this button and upload one image from my gallery. See, here I uploaded. Now I want to add one welcome message. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write the welcome message for my customer. You can also add caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it, while at the end of this message I'll ask my customer to how can we help you feel your best today. For answering this I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. The first button I want to write is massage type. The second button I'll write is check rates and the third button I'll write is book a session. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to know about the massage type that are available in my Relaxation Massage Center, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the details regarding the types of massage I am providing to my customer. Here I write it. Now if my customer wants to know about the prices of the massage that I am providing to them, then they will click on this check rates option. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am taking one text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering the pricing details of massage in my relaxation massage center. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of check rates to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now if my customer wants to book a session in my relaxation massage center, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am taking one another text button, drag this message box here and entering the details regarding the book a session in my relaxation massage center. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book a session to the message I write it here. Our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your relaxation massage center business. After that I'll click on the save button so that my flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of relaxation massage center. Here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Tranquil Touch Massage Center. We are so glad you are here. Whether you are looking to unwind, relieve tension or treat yourself, you are in the right hands. How can we help you feel your best today? While providing me 3 different options, that is massage type, check rates and book a session that we were written here. See, massage type, check rates, book a session. If I'll click on check rates, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the prices and offers they are providing to their customer. If I'll click on massage type, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the types of massage they are offering to their customer. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chartflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chartflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chartflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.